present and real condition describes a hypothetical action or event in the present or future, something that we either know is not true definitely, or we have a doubt it will happen in the future. Let's take a look at this example. Sarah is a housewife. She is tired of washing the dishes every day, but she has to because she doesn't have a dishwasher. So she imagines, if I had a dishwasher, I wouldn't have to wash those dishes every day. So what happens here? In the conditional if part of the sentence, we use simple past to describe an imaginary situation in the present. If I had a dishwasher is an imaginary, hypothetical, unreal condition because she doesn't have a dishwasher in reality. And the result part, I wouldn't have to wash those dishes every day, has the modal verb would that describes an imaginary event in the present. Tell me, is this condition real? Is it true? No, of course not. It is not real. It is not true. She talks about an imaginary dishwasher she doesn't have. And the second part, the result is also unreal. It's also imaginary. Let's see another example. Jack earns very little money, and he can't afford to go anywhere on vacation. So he thinks, if I could afford it, I would go to Thailand on vacation. He uses could, which is the verb in the past tense. By using the past tense, in the conditional part of the sentence, he shows that it's not a real condition. It won't happen. It's imaginary. The result part, which is also imaginary, is I would go to Thailand. Would only expresses an unreal imaginary situation. So we have past tense in the conditional part, and we have would in the result part. One more example. Mike applied for a job, and he waited for someone to invite him to the interview. It's been 3 months, but no one has called. So he thinks, if they wanted to invite me, they would call me. Again, we use simple past in the conditional part. If they wanted to invite me, it means Mike knows they don't want to invite him. It's a hypothetical, unreal condition. And the hypothetical result is, they would call me. There is a specific rule. How to use the verb be in present and real condition. We know there are two past forms of be, was and were. Was is used for singular nouns and were for plural, right? It doesn't work like this in the conditional sentences. In present and real condition, we only use were for any subject. For example, if I were you, I would not refuse his offer. We don't say, if I was you, only if I were you, which is an unreal condition. It is hypothetical, imaginary condition because I can't be you. It's impossible. She would say that I am right. If she were here now. Again, if she were here, not if she was here. Is this a real condition or imaginary? Of course, it's imaginary. The past tense in the conditional part. If she were here means she is not actually here. It's just imagination. Okay, that will be it. Stay tuned for the next video.